What is up, chefs, foodies, students? Welcome to Everybody Knows. I'm Anders. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started. In this video, we are talking about the fruity aroma category. The fruity category contains so many kinds of fruit, from trees, shrubs, and herbaceous plants. And this includes any sweet, swollen part of a plant that we might think of as a fruit. Even that isn't a perfect definition for everything in this category. Esters play a large role in the aromas of fruits as we know them, often being very sugary and pleasant to us. These aromas are pleasant and luring to the nose. They are quite similar to floral aromas, but imply more of a substance to the product. Other common descriptors of fruity might be pleasant, tropical, or sweet, even though we know that sweet is a taste, not an aroma. Let's have a look at the universal aroma wheel. Here's our wheel, and here is fruity, this massive, massive section up here. It's huge. It's only second to vegetative, which is even larger. Fruity lies between sugary and nutty, and you'll have to excuse because fruity is on the border of the words going in this direction and this direction. So some of this is upside down in this viewing. So here we have the fruity category, and if we look at sugary, the border is some of the tropical stone fruits, mango, with honey. And so although that's not a perfect transition, it's sort of close. And then down here we have the floral category of fruity meeting up with the floral category of nutty. As we look at the subcategories, most of them are defined by the type of fruit or the type of plant. There's a couple that aren't. We start off with stone fruit and then move to concentrated as a category, which contains some fruits that are most of the time eaten in a dried or preserved way, but then also includes the preserved form of several types of fruit. We then have a berry category. We have something that I called the crisp tree fruit category. We have the citrus category, the tropical fruit category, and then finally the floral category. If we look more specifically into some of these categories, like citrus for example, we can see all of the citrus fruits in relative alignment. And then going into tropical, we can see things like kiwi, and then these are actually split into colors only because this is a generalized statement. Similar colored tropical fruits generally smell similar. Feel free to challenge me on that one. I know there are exceptions. But you can see that we do have a large variety of different tropical fruits here, organized generally by color, and so we have a healthy variety in there. For today's examples, we have a clementine and we have a banana. Two perfectly lovely fruits that you could probably find at your local grocery store in North America. So I'm just gonna agitate the skin of this clementine. Get some of that nice citrusy pop there, give that a whiff. Lovely. And then for a banana, not hard to smell a banana. You leave one of these in your car and you will know. This is a very strong aroma from a tropical fruit. Something to note, and I will say this more than once, depending on the video, the line between what is a fruit and what is a vegetable is very blurred and subjective. I personally hate the words fruit and vegetable, but their differences are generally agreed upon in regards to aroma and roles that they play in food. It's all plant parts. There will definitely be debate of some of the specific identifiers, such as avocado and rhubarb, which, rhubarb is not a fruit, but it is always seemingly used with fruits, and avocado is technically a fruit and is rarely, if ever, used in a fruit capacity, depending on what you're doing with it. So as to what should be called fruity and what should be called vegetative, it's up for debate. And this pair of categories isn't even adjacent on the aroma wheel, so fruity and vegetative are not near each other. So let the debating commence, or continue, whatever. I'm all ears. So that's interesting. And that about wraps it up. So what I would like you to do is think about the word in the category fruity as you are cooking or as you're eating. Do you like these aromas or not? Why or why not? Do they bring certain memories or thoughts to mind when you smell them? And last but not least, do you agree with what you've seen organizationally here on the wheel with fruity, or anything that we've talked about in this video? Please feel free to answer any of those questions down in the comments. I would love to see them, love the feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video made sense and got you thinking about the fruity category of aromas. If you would like to join the food aroma nerdery, please subscribe and you will see all of my new videos. If you would like a hard copy poster or digital copy of the aroma wheel I have created, there will be links in the description. Thank you so much. Bye.